If you want to add widgets to the lock screen on iPhone 16e, then first of all, open Settings. In the settings, scroll down to Wallpaper, go to Wallpaper, and then let's customize the lock screen. So tap this Customize button here. And then here we have the field Add Widgets. We can tap over here in order to find some example widgets. If you scroll down, you will find different apps that also have widgets. So as an example, I'm gonna choose Sleep. And let's see, I'm gonna add this one over here and this. We can also go back, let's go to Weather. We're gonna add this thing over here. Actually, we cannot, we have to remove one. So let's say I'm gonna remove this one and add the weather instead. And that's pretty much it. If you want to remove the widget, then of course you can tap on the widgets field here in order to tap on the minus button in the top left corner of the widget. And that's pretty much it. Of course, we can, I think we should be able to change the position. No, unfortunately we cannot. So that's pretty much it. Once we are done with the changes, press done in the top right corner. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!